Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. Do me a quick favor. We're gonna be unboxing a phone, but do me a huge favor, right? A big help to the channel. Definitely hit the like and the subscribe button, as well as the bell icon on your way in. I extremely appreciate your support. So we do have the Infinix Zero 8. Now this device is gonna be a pretty nice device. It's going to be a big device, 6.85 inches, 200 grams of weight. It has the processing chip of the Helio G90T processing chip. It's got 4G, and it also does have a 2460 by 1080 resolution on here. So it looks like the package is open on this device. So it does say that we do have 90 hertz refresh rate. We do have a 48 megapixel and a ultra night camera. We do also have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage. We also do have stabilized video recording, liquid cooling technology, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, as well as a 4500 milliamp hour battery. So this device does have Android 10 on here. Let's see, the device was already unpacked. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at it right here. There was no seal on the top of the device. I guess because they had to put the extra accessories on here. So we do have a screen glass protector. We have 2 of them, look. 2 11H as far as the hardness, 21D glass OG screen protectors. And then we do have, included in the bundle, we do have this leather case, right? Let me go ahead and open this up, because I definitely want to feel this on the phone, right? This is something that is also going to come with the bundle. So they did offer like 3 different case options, right? It did offer the blue one, the black one, I think there was the red one. I got the actual leather material, and this is going to be like that fake leather, that pleather material, but it has that TPU on the sides, and on the back it kind of just has like a texture which mimics leather. It's not going to be real leather. So now right here on the top, it does say we do have the 90 hertz 6.85 full HD smooth display, 64 plus 48 megapixel ultra night camera, Helio G90T. So they have two large cameras, a 48 and a 64, and a night camera, as well as 33 watts fast supercharging on this device, 8 gigabytes of RAM as well, which is kind of mind-blowing. So just keep in mind, this device is only 180. With all the discounts, I paid 180, and it says it has it's an extraordinary vision master, and there's a dual camera on the front, right? So let's go ahead and tip this over. Inside, we're greeted with that 33 watts fast charging brick and also the charging cable. So let's put this right here, and also let's go ahead. Oh wow, so you do get a clear case as well. They do offer a clear case as well as the charging brick right here. This thing is kind of solid. This thing is solid. That thing is real solid. And then you can see right here we do have the Type-C cord, and then inside you get accented the accented orange color inside of here. So in the brick, you will see like an accented color of orange, which is kind of cool. You can see that right there. So let me just put that back in there in the bundle. And then let me put this off to the side real quick, kind of see what we have on here. So we do have some more instructions, right? You get your SIM remover tool. And okay, so this is a really good experience, right? They're offering you some stickers. You also do get a plastic screen protector as well, right? You also, wow, this is sick. Look, 080. Look at these. This future is now. You get all these stickers. So those are pretty solid, right? User manual is inside of the bundle, as well as the SIM remover tool. So we'll put this right off to the side right here, right? And this is the main show. This is what everybody came to see right now. So we're gonna take a look at this right now. It does look to be brand new. It does look to be brand new. Like Everything looks pretty solid on here. Let me see the weight. It feels pretty solid. You could definitely tell the build material on the sides is plastic. It mimics metal, right? It does mimic metal. We have that silver surfer, that silver color, right? So it's like a deep, it's more of a lighter silver color, not a deep gray, but you get like a light silver color. You put that right there. And two-toned, it's kind of two-toned, right? So you get the darker one on the top. That depends on which way you turn it, right? And then you're gonna get a little reflection depending on what type of light you put it in, right? So you can see right here that we are getting that on here. So what's really cool about this device, it has that 90 Hertz refresh rate. We're gonna check that out right now. I'm gonna go ahead and boot the phone on. Let's peel off the top layer of tape right there. And then is there a screen protector on there? It does look like there is one, but that's just the way it looks because there's dual cameras on here. Look at that. So I think they put that 48 megapixel on the front, and then they put the 64 megapixel on the rear, which is pretty cool. So let me just look at the specs. It says 16 megapixel on the front on this website, so I'm not sure how accurate that is, but we do get a side-mounted fingerprint sensor right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that right now. And it says Infinix powered by Android on here. And then at the top, there's no microphone at the top, right? There's no microphone at the top, but we do get those dual cameras. You can see an X logo right there. And then it says Zero, the XOS. This is the operating system that it's actually running on, right? So it's running on the XOS operating system. We're just gonna click OK for the United States. We can sign in. We're gonna go ahead and skip that, right? Let me see. Skip for now. And it's connected to the Wi-Fi, so everything is working pretty nicely. It also says we can install this Jump Zoo app, which I see here. So there's a Jump Zoo app. I really like how they give you a gel style case as well as an additional case. That's the one I actually did choose, and they give you these two tempered glass, these hard glass, tempered glass cases. So we're gonna click continue, right? And then it says right here that there's this X Club. The community has over 3 million users here. You can find interesting topics and friends and come join us. So, right, I'm gonna join that, but let's skip right now. And then you can see we do have lock screen only, fingerprint and face ID. So let's skip that right now. And it says right here, forcibly removing battery will damage the phone. Press the power key for 8 seconds to restart the phone and forcibly, okay, cool. So I kind of like how they have that double slot here for the camera. It's like a pill. I actually haven't had a phone with that, so it looks like we have 90 Hertz refresh rate right out of the gun because this thing is flowing like water. It's flowing really quick. This is one of the fastest devices that I've seen when I just took it out of the box and just used the display. So let's check out the storage, right? The storage says that we have 117 out of the 128 available. So they only took, they only took up, that much RAM. There's only like 9 gigabytes of RAM used or something like that, which is pretty crazy, right? Or 9 gigabytes of internal storage used that they took up. And then let's check out the security right here. So March 2021 is on here. They updated it, right? They put an update on here. Let's just go ahead and check out the updates. Let's see if there's an update on here. It says right here that you can check for updates. No available update, okay. Let's go into system, right? System update is also here. So they do have an update to X0S version 7 on here, right? So that's something that's pretty cool. They also do have smart assist for gestures and a smart panel on here. So this is brand new to me, right? I never seen this before. So they have a theme, they have wallpapers here. They have, the fonts right here. They also have, there's only one right there. Then they also do have video show. I'm not sure what that is, but there's a theme store right here for your video show. So I guess these are like video. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see if I can apply that. Oh, it's applied already. So let's see if I would lock the screen. It was trying to show me something right there. Hold on. It went away. Oh man. Okay, cool. But there was like this side panel that they were trying to show me. We do get an app tray on here. But so far this looks really good. I don't want to keep you guys right now, but let's just check out the camera system. We do got AI beauty mode on this device, bokeh video camera, super night mode. It's moving fast. It's really moving fast on here. Let me go into the video mode and check out the camera options. 4K 30 frames per second. Let's flip it around and check out the front, right? We get wide angle and we get the regular angle. Let's see what the quality is looking like when I'm looking at it. We get the wide angle. We get 1080 30 frames per second on the front as well. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now, but I definitely like how this is going so far. 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. The system navigations are on here. You can also get the gestures as well, right? And there's a little bit of bloatware on here. Look at all this all this stuff right here. So there's a lot of bloatware there. I don't think you could even get rid of that if you tried to. Let's long hold that. It says you could play those without installation. So I guess those are just ads on there. But this is my first impressions. This is the first time I'm checking it out, same time as you are, right? I haven't ever checked out this device before, this company, devices from this company before. So this is my first ever time. And you can see all the bloatware that we're getting on here that I'm checking out this device. So there is a few bloatware options. There's also, it says that my phone is at risk. I wonder why the phone is at risk. Let me see. Why would that be? And it says issues right now detected. There's 0 issues detected, but I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna wrap up the video right now, but I just wanted to show you guys how the unboxing was of the Infinix Zero 8, right? This device has that 90 hertz refresh. It also does have 4K at $180. Also does have a really nice display. It's a TF IPS panel, but it does have a 64 megapixel. It does have that, you know, really good side mounted fingerprint build quality. The front facing camera has 2 cameras on there. It has fingerprint sensor. It also does have facial unlock as well as this phone master, which is controlling the optimization as well. But it's flowing really good. We also do get this thing right here which is showing us themes and wallpapers. I guess I'm gonna allow this and allow that. And then we also get options here to clocks, weather, and different widgets and games, themes and wallpapers and stuff like that. But hopefully you guys did find this video helpful in any way possible. I'm gonna get right back with you because the video is getting long right now, but it's your boy Serrano. Make sure you hit the like button on your way out and also show your support by hitting the like button. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, as well as showing your support and appreciation by leaving a comment. And I'm gonna get right back with you right later, crew. Peace.